Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back on my channel to yet another video. And today I'm going to introduce another platform or potential site you want to use to make another source of passive income online. Today we talk about a platform for copy trading in the crypto markets, better saying in the future sector. So we do trading with leverage, or better say copy trading with leverage. Therefore, we go to the site. It's bitget.com. I'll put a link down below in the description as usual. But before we get back into it, I want to say again the disclaimer that I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. Trading is not risk free. Trading is risk involved, especially when you go into leverage trading. So you put 5x, 10x, 15x on the line. There's definitely risks involved, and you should make your own research and your own due diligence and then decide if it's something for you or not. But that being said, obviously when you trade with leverage or copy trade with leverage, there is huge upside potential, and the same way it goes into the negative ways. So if we trade with, let's say, a 50x leverage, and up to 50x is possible here, and you want to trade $100 with a 50x leverage, you basically trade or make a trade worth $5,000. Okay, so if then the price, let's say you trade Bitcoin, you put $100 in with a 50x leverage and the price goes up 1%. Okay, it's basically trading 5,000 going up 1%. So you make $50 by Bitcoin going up 1%, even though you only basically paid $100. So you can make $50, so 50% on your initial investment by the price going up 1%. At the same time, obviously, it can go backwards or fire backwards. If it goes down 1%, you lose 50%. So choosing the right trader is very, very huge. Okay, so I have now $500 or USDT in my futures account. If you want to use the platform, you basically load up USDT in your spot account. I have $10 left over, and then transfer it here to your futures account. So from spot to USDT M, let's say put all in, confirm, and those $10 are now in my futures account, hopefully. So they will arrive shortly, and you would have them here in your futures account, and then you can copy trade with them. So copy trading section is up here. You can go here and then you see all the traders. So there are a lot of factors involved in choosing the right trader. You have a lot of stuff you can choose from. You have the total ROI, the total profit loss in the last 3 weeks, the total win rate in the last 3 weeks, the assets under management from the whole following community. So he has 23 followers, and those assets are worth $3,859. He has a total profit and loss of $1,280, which is total, and this is only last 3 weeks. So this guy has only been here in the last 3 weeks, and that's not long enough for me, so I'm definitely not going to choose him. I usually try to find traders with a lot of followers, a lot of assets under management, good ROI, total profit loss percentage, and obviously the right win rate. When I see 100% win rate, this cannot be true. There's nobody who can trade with 100%, you know what I'm saying? So I check if there's somebody around the 70 to 80% range, because I think everything above that might be a little faked. So might be every trade in the negative is still open and not closed, something like this, to try to make up a little bit better win rate percentage here. So you can go up to the filters right here and check basically the followers, whatever you want. You can choose the trading pairs you want to trade with, the frequency, if it's aggressive trading or whatever, and then it shows you, or the site shows you, the right trader. I'm going for followers now, so let's check this, and let's check who has a good following. There are also star traders involved. You see it. Oh, okay, and here we have some, and this is what I want to show you. Those guys are full. They have 1,000 slots open. This guy has 800 slots open, and all are filled. Okay, So there is a maximum amount of numbers, or a maximum amount of followers who can copy trade those guys. And so we want to get a spot in here, possibly because he made $157,000 in the last 3 weeks. His assets, he has $1.6 million assets under management with a win rate of 79.7%. This guy has 1.3 million under management with a win rate of 81%. And followers, 4,200, 4,800, and 1,000 copy traders. So basically, I think he has 1,000 copy traders and 3,798. So everything above that tries to get in, you know. So they basically put a check mark on it, get a reminder if there's a spot open, and then 3,700 people try to get in. So, and this guy is also full. He has 800 assets under management, 326,000. So those are the guys I want to get in. So we can check him up, see his stuff last month. What has he done last month? What has he done? He has 154 orders. So this guy actually does not have many orders, you know. So actually, I'm not trying to get into him now because this is not enough volume for me. Let's check the other guys up. This guy, he has 2,033 orders, and in the last 3 weeks he has 133. So basically 20 a day. No, what is it? 8 a day. Let's check the last month of results. These are nice results. Let's check the income, not the percentages. Well, he has 237,000 in the last 3 weeks. That's not too shabby, huh? Isn't it? He only trades Ethereum USDT, okay? And he has a 79.7% win rate in the last 3. And this should be around 60 something, huh? So, what can we do here? If he's full, we can set up a slot reminder. So every time there is one follower less, so one doesn't follow him anymore, doesn't do copy trading or whatever, the site sets us or gives us a reminder that there is a spot open and first come, first serve. So if we're first, we can follow him and copy trade him. If not, and we choose someone different, let's just choose someone who has an open following spot. Let's check him. Okay, he didn't really trade. He has only 18 orders. But if we were to follow him, we would go onto follow, and then follow mode is very important. So here we put in a number of how much volume we want to give him per trade. So if you don't put in anything, it will copy trade your full balance, and that's not what we want to do. You can go between 10 and 3,000 USDT per trade. So I put in 10. I go very low per trade because they will open up many trades, especially if you follow 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 traders. You know, $10 is by far enough. And with them opening up leverage like 20x, 10x, 5x, 3x, 22x, 50x, and so on, those $10 are worth like 200, sometimes 30, sometimes 500, depending on the trade. And it will give you enough volume, trust me. So with 500, $10 is basically 2% per trade, which is okay for me. Usually I want to go with 1% per trade, so I would need $1,000 to do 10. But I mean, I think it's fine. Beside that, you can go into the risk management sector and also set profit loss and take profit stuff. I actually usually set the profit loss or stop loss ratio to 50%. So if it goes down 50%, this one trade, stop loss and close the trade. I usually leave take profit open. So I think the trader will know better than me when to stop the trade, you know, and when to close it, when to take profits, because in the end, the trader makes money with us making money, because they have a profit share ratio of 10%, or this guy has. Other might have 5, might have 6, might have 8. So every time we make a profit, let's say $100 profit, he gets 10% of it, you know. So the traders make profit with the following community making profit. So in his best interest is that we make money. So I leave this open. The maximum follow is basically what you are willing to risk with him trading the capital. So with me having 50,000 in there, I basically have all my eggs into his basket, so to say. He can do whatever the fuck he wants, because I mean, $10 per trade up to $50,000. That means you can have 5,000 different trades open at the same time, which will not work because I only have $500 in the balance, but you know what I'm saying. So we can put this down to $100, and so with this, he can only trade $100 at the same time, from my understanding. You know, and maybe it's the other way around. So the maximum follow is that he uses, or when he uses $100, you stop copy trading him before you give him more room. It's one or the other, but it's very important if you want to really lower down the risk. So, but let's check the copy traders. So if you see in the copy trading sector, these are copy trades open right now, which is not good, but you see 30x leverage, 50x leverage. Those are my trades open right now. Only 2 in profits. The rest is not in profit. Let's check my history real quick, and we see the last 3 trades closed. Here they hit the stop loss. This guy closed the trade in minus 10%. And then we have trades here with 98% profit, 98% profit, 15%, 19%, 11%, 84%, and 73% in profit. So that's what I'm saying. Like, there's very high upside potential, but at the same time, you can easily reach those stop loss things, you know? So there's high risk involved, but in the end, where we saw the one guy made $250,000 for his copy traders, that's huge, you know? So if you want to check it out, the link is down below. But make sure you do your own research, because there is risks involved. But I think it's a good opportunity, beside the easy part, to have a little bit or much more risk involved with much higher rewards. But I don't want to make the video too long. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to contact me. We can set up one-on-one Zoom calls, or just write per Instagram, write per Telegram, Discord, WhatsApp, whatever, and get all the informations you need. So thank you for watching, guys, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.
Like you, be strong to hold the powers of the sun, to dream